Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Metaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the default download folder in the Opera web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Opera browser. And then dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan lang natin i-click to Opera logo. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin select dito yung settings at pwede natin gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P and then i-click lang natin tong settings. And then next step ay dito lang sa right side kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down and then dito lang sa pinakadulo makikita mo dito yung advanced and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na to and then dito sa advanced settings ang next step ay scroll down ulit tayo at hanapin natin dito yung downloads. Okay? And then scroll down lang tayo. Alright. So makikita mo dito yung downloads and then yung locations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-change the default download folder. So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung change. So kailangan mo lang i-click to. So click lang natin yan. And then pop up itong locations. So, ang next step ay select mo lang dito kung saan mo isi-save yung download. Kung desktop, downloads, documents, and nandito yung mga folders niya. And then next, pwede mo naman mag-rate ng folder name dito. So, lagay mo lang dito and then click mo lang tong select folder. Ayan. So, very simple lang. And then dito naman sa baba, makikita mo dito yung ask where to save each file before downloading. So, pwede mo itong enable or disable siya. So, click mo lang ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, naka-enable siya or naka-turn on. So, kapag ganyan siya, ibig sabihin, naka-disable siya. Ayan, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to change the default download folder in Opera browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.